Jam. So I'm back. Welcome back. So I'm gonna be doing another video. I know you guys just saw me in this t-shirt with my mukbang Q&A video. I'm not sure if this one's gonna be up first or that one's gonna be up first, but either way, I got on the same shirt in both of these videos. This shirt here is by Weirdos Apparel. It's actually my niece's company. You can also find it on Instagram. I'll link it down below. I'm actually gonna do a makeup look inspired by these three colors here. I ain't gonna do the black. It's gonna be too much. By these three colors here, I'm gonna be using the crayon case. I'll be using to wash my blush palette. I'll be using the box of crayons. In here, I'll be using, I'll be using this one here and the yellow there for my eye look. And for contour, I'll be using this palette here. So if you guys want to see what I come up with, because I don't know what I'm doing yet. So if you want to see what I come up with, we're going to be doing this together. I'm doing it on the fly. I don't have no idea in my head. Nothing. But I'll be looking on this side and let's get started. So I'm going to go in with 10 from the palette. I'm lying. I am totally lying, y'all. I ain't even primed my eyelid. I don't know what I'm doing. And I already got on some lashes, some individual lashes. I might add a strip. These here, I'm not sure yet. It might be a bit much, but I do have on individual lashes, as you guys can see. I don't like them real full. I like it natural looking, so you can't really tell that I got them on. All right, now I'm going to go in with 10 from the box of crayons. This is going to be my transition color. I freaking love this color. It's like a orange, brown kind of color. I always start off with this as my first color. It's just a natural looking orangish brown. I think I got an idea of what I want to do now that I'm putting this down. Okay, I'm gonna go in, same brush, I ain't switching it, with brown from that palette. Tap some of that off. I don't want these two colors to be too heavy. I know I'm gonna do a cut crease. That I do know. Bam, just like that. I think those are the only two colors I'm gonna put on my eyes. I know I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna sweep it over in the corner, make it a little outer V right there. I can't really see it because these damn lashes. That's why I always put my lashes on after. I need to see. All right, like that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take this white by NYX. This is brand new, guys. I ain't never used it. All right, I got my brush, and I'm going to go in with this white by NYX, just so the colors can pop when I put them on my eye. And I'm going to cut my crease. Woo! That thing is bright. What I expect is white. It's super creamy. Oh, I don't know about this one. All right, guys, so this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this eye, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I went ahead and cut both of my creases. I don't really like this. It's very pigmented, but I don't know. It's like kind of like oily. It don't dry down unless I use too much. But it says it's an eyeshadow base, but I don't freaking like it. So I went in with my my banana powder to I'm looking down because I was looking for the top, y'all. I'm so sorry. I went in with my banana powder to actually matte it down, if that makes sense. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I actually missed the corner over here, so where is my brush? Here it is. Like it was too wet for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the yellow out of this crayon case. The name is actually yellow. There's nothing fancy about it. There's nothing fancy about the name. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in my inner corner here. Ooh. Alright, now that I got the yellow all put down, you guys see it. That yellow is popping, boo. I'm gonna go in with that pink, like I told y'all before, on the same brush. I ain't switching the brush. I'm gonna just flip it over to the other side. And I'm gonna pack that pink, ooh, right here. And I'm gonna make sure I pat on the line where the yellow and the pink meet, so it's blended all together. Ooh, that thing is cute. Look at it. I know y'all probably saying gravy is something crazy. But listen, I love freaking makeup, especially when they come out right. Oh, yes, baby. Like this right here. Make sure when you putting on two colors like this to pat the line where they meet at, because if not, you just have one big ass harsh line. And yeah, it's gonna change the color in the middle because you blending two colors. Like right here looks like I have a little orange, but that's fine. Make sure you blend though, because you don't want to walk around looking like a clown. So blend your eyeshadows together. Alright guys, so everything is all blended together. As you can see, this freaking yellow and pink is amazing. But yeah, everything is all blended together. So what I'm gonna do now, I actually see that this side has a little bit more brown. Where the hell is my brush? Right here. It has a little bit more brown up here, so I'm gonna just go ahead and tap. Do that up real quick. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation, my highlight. I'm gonna just put on my foundation and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I went ahead and I applied my foundation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with my LA Pro concealer in Fawn. Should I do it on camera for y'all guys? What y'all think? Yes, no, maybe so. I guess I'll do it. you always want to take your foundation powder and sweep it over your highlight so you don't have no flashback. That's why some of you girls be looking like little ghosts out here. Baby boy, you gotta clean it up. So now what I'm gonna do is go in with my contour palette. I'm gonna take this little brush here. Where did I get this from? Crown brushes. I'm gonna take this dark shade here for my cheeks. I actually mixed that one with the second one. Y'all see that? To die for. This video gonna be kind of long, y'all. I hope y'all don't mind. Don't forget, while y'all sitting here watching me, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Subscribe, the like, notification, all that. And become one of your girls' gems now. Don't sleep on it. I know y'all want to be one. Like, just hit the subscribe button. And y'all won't never have to miss me again. Cause y'all gonna get get it together, sis. Y'all gonna get all my notifications in my videos. Like, come on. Go ahead. I'm waiting. No, I'm not about to contour my nose yet. I'm waiting. You back? Now let's finish. All right, so for my under eye, right? I'm looking for this crap that I don't like. I'm gonna take this on one of these little angle brushes and go on my lash line. So when I put the yellow and the pink down here, it'll actually pop. I should have put some in my waterline too. So just like that. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added my mascara to my bottom and my top lashes. I'm going to do something nude on the lips because I already have a lot going on my eyes. So I'm going to do something real simple and nude on my lips, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna put on in a minute. All right guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna be using my, it's about gone, don't judge me, my NYX Cappuccino lip liner, and I'm gonna be using this lip gloss. It doesn't have a name. I'm actually coming out with my own lip gloss line, so that's why it doesn't have a name yet, but when I find one out, you guys will find one out. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and add some lip gloss. Y'all see that? Alright, so now just, alright, now that my lips are done, I'm going to go ahead with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray and spray my face. And there you have it, guys, the finished look. So if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe, people. I do this for you, so you can learn how to look like this. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a video. Until then, like I always say at the end of my videos, peace out.